Good morning, students. Today we start a new topic. This is the trigonometry. You learn this topic is first time in your class. So, dear student, here is topic trigonometry. Okay. If we divide trigonometry into parts, that is tri plus gon plus मैट्रन, इस पार्ट को हम थ्री पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं. फर्स्ट पार्ट ट्राई, गोन एंड मैट्रन मीन्स ट्राई थ्री, गोन मीन्स साइड्स एंड मैट्रन मेजरमेंट. ओके, ट्राई मीन्स थ्री साइड मीन्स ट्राइंगल. ट्राइंगल को मेजरमेंट करने का जो पार्ट है, रेशियो है, उसको ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. सो इन ट्रिग्नोमेट्री वी यूज ओनली राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल, दैट इज दिस टाइप ऑफ एंगल्स. हियर ए बी सी, ए बी सी एंगल ए. In right angle triangle, angle B 90 degree, then opposite sides of angle A, this is called perpendicular. Okay, this side is perpendicular and adjacent side of angle A called base, and opposite sides of right angle hypotenuse. Okay, it is hypotenuse. Base represented by B, perpendicular P, and hypotenuse by H. So, dear students, in this part we learn 6 trigonometric ratio, that is sin theta first, second cosine, third tangent, fourth cotangent, fifth second, sixth cosecant. This type of there is 6 type of trigonometric ratio: sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant. In the short form, we write sine, sin, sin theta, cosine into cos theta, tangent tan theta, cotangent cot theta, cosecant sec theta, and cosecant cosec theta. This is the 6th type of trigonometric ratio. In this figure, according to right angle triangle, sin theta equal to BC upon में AC. BC upon AC, we use sin A. Here is 4 angle A. Okay, 4 angle A, sin A equal to BC upon AC means opposite side. Opposite side of angle A upon में AC hypotenuse. Now cos theta base AB upon में AC means adjacent sides of angle A upon hypotenuse. Next, tangent means tan theta. P means BC upon AB. It is opposite side of angle A upon adjacent sides of angle A. Next, cos theta base BC AB, base AB upon BC is equal to adjacent sides of angle A upon opposite side of angle A. Next, third part, fifth part, sec base upon hypotenuse upon base means AC upon AB. Hypotenuse upon base adjacent side of angle A. और last cosine theta, it is hypotenuse AC upon BC. Hypotenuse upon opposite sides of angle A. So dear students, this is the sixth type of trigonometry ratio: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. Now this is perpendicular, angle A, opposite side of angle A, hypotenuse, opposite sides of angle B, and base, opposite adjacent sides of angle A. If we change the angle A to angle C, if we use angle C, then base and perpendiculars are interchanged. So adjacent sides of angle C, this perpendicular convert into base and base convert into perpendicular. Okay. Now the learning process of this is very simple. It is, you can learn P BP upon H B. Here P upon H, P upon H, B upon H, P upon B, B upon P, H upon B, H upon P. It is sin theta perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta base upon hypotenuse, tan perpendicular upon base, just opposite, cot theta base upon perpendicular, sec theta hypotenuse upon base, cosec theta hypotenuse upon perpendicular. This is the learning process. You can learn pad, beta, pad. Pad, beta, pad. Hard book. Okay. Now again, Pandit Badri Prasad. हर बोले. Okay. This is the pattern of learning process. Pad P, beta B, pad P, hard H, B for book. Pad beta pad, hard book. Or again we can say Pandit Badri Prasad har bole. So this is the basic concept of trigonometry. Okay. So dear, thank you.